Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to dropship in 2023. Step 1. Choose a niche. Select a niche for your dropshipping business. It's crucial to choose a niche that you're interested in and has a potential customer base. Research the market demand, competition, and profitability of different niches before making a decision. Step 2. Conduct market research. Perform thorough market research to identify popular products within your chosen niche. Look for items that are in demand but not oversaturated in the market. Consider factors like product quality, pricing, and shipping options when assessing potential products. Step 3. Find reliable suppliers. Search for reliable suppliers who can fulfill your orders and provide quality products. There are various ways to find suppliers, such as using online directories like Alibaba or AliExpress, attending trade shows, or contacting manufacturers directly. Ensure that the suppliers you choose have a good track record, offer competitive prices, and have a history of timely order fulfillment. Step 4. Set up an online store. Create an online store to showcase your products. You can use popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Customize your store's design, add product descriptions and images, and optimize it for a user-friendly experience. Make sure your store is visually appealing and reflects your brand's identity. Step 5. Set up payment gateways. Integrate secure payment gateways into your online store to process customer transactions. Options like PayPal, Stripe, or Square are widely used and provide a seamless checkout experience. Set up accounts with these payment gateways and configure them within your online store's settings. Step 6. Establish customer acquisition channels. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your store. Utilize various channels such as social media, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic and generate sales. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and build relationships with your audience to increase brand awareness. Step 7. Manage product listings and inventory. Regularly update your product listings to ensure accurate information, pricing, and availability. Monitor your inventory levels closely to avoid selling products that are out of stock. Consider using inventory management tools or software to streamline this process and receive notifications when stock levels are low. Step 8. Process orders and shipping. When a customer places an order in your store, you'll need to process it with your supplier. Automate this process as much as possible by using apps or plugins that connect your store with the supplier's system. Provide clear instructions to the supplier regarding packaging, shipping labels, and any other specific requirements. Track the shipment to ensure timely delivery. Step 9. Customer service and support. Offer excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, provide detailed information about products, address concerns or complaints, and handle returns or refunds professionally. Positive customer experiences can lead to repeat purchases and positive reviews, which are beneficial for your business. Step 10. Analyze and optimize. Regularly analyze your business performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your operations. Track key metrics like conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and profitability. Identify areas for improvement, test different strategies, and refine your marketing campaigns to maximize your success. Remember, dropshipping can be a competitive business, so it's important to stay updated with market trends, continually improve your store, and provide exceptional customer service to stand out from the competition. If you found this video helpful or informative, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.